In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload any voice for ElevenLabs. Before we dive into the details, I'd like to mention that you can support our channel by using our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. It's a great way to help us grow, and we sincerely appreciate it. Now, on to the process of uploading and cloning a voice. The first step is acquiring the audio of the voice you'd like to clone. This audio is crucial because it forms the foundation for the cloning process. Depending on the method you choose, you'll need different lengths of clean audio. If you're opting for the instant cloner, make sure you have at least 10 seconds of high-quality audio. However, if you're aiming for a more refined result using the professional voice cloner, you'll need no less than 30 minutes of audio. Once you've got your audio ready, head over to ElevenLabs. On the left panel, you'll notice a tab labeled Voices. Go ahead and click on that. Here, you'll find an option called Create or Clone Voice. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this option, you will be prompted to decide whether you want an instant clone or a more professional one. Remember that the choice between instant and professional typically depends on your specific needs and the amount of audio you have prepared. With the cloning method selected, it's time to upload your audio file. Simply follow the prompts to input the file containing the voice you want to clone. The interface is quite user-friendly, so you shouldn't face any difficulties here. Just ensure the file meets the required audio quality and length specifications we discussed earlier. After the upload is complete and the setup is good to go, you'll be able to find your cloned voice under the My Voices tab. This is where all your created voices are stored, making it easy to access them whenever you need. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded and set up your voice for cloning with ElevenLabs. Remember, this process opens up various possibilities for using different voices in your projects, enhancing creativity and engagement. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments section below. We're always here to help and provide you with the best guidance possible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips like this one. See you in the next video.